So today, you organize this ravishing, media magazine award function. So how many nominations you have received so far?
Yeah, this is not exactly the award function. This is just a launch party for the award function.
Okay.
The main awards,
Yeah.
which will happen where we will give away the awards in various categories, will happen in February.
Which are those categories?
See, we have about 31 categories.
Okay.
So the categories include jewelers, they include groomwear designers, bridal wear designers, matrimonial agencies, wedding astrologers, wedding venues, banquets, hotels, bridal makeup, and so on. We have 31 categories right now. So today, this evening is basically there to felicitate the nominees.
Okay.
In 31 categories, we have about 5 nominees in each category.
Okay.
So all those people are here tonight, and we just thought it would be a great idea if the entire wedding fraternity is here.
Okay.
And they can meet, they can know one another and exchange their contacts, and it will be a nice platform for us to put them on the stage.
Any big award here for number 1, number 2, number 3? Any big
All
prize?
the awards are happening, but the award winners
Big-
will be declared in the main function, which is happening in
Yeah.
February. Right now, it's just we are launching the awards, and the nominees will be declared in various categories, in 31 categories, who are the nominees.
Yeah.
If it is the best jewelry, then who are the nominees of Delhi, who are in that slot, who are the nominees for designers.
Yeah.
So that is what we are doing.
Is this an event only for North India or whole of India?
It's for whole of India, but
Yeah.
right now our focus is on Delhi NCR.
Delhi NCR.
Yes,
Okay.
because we are based in Delhi NCR.
Yeah.
So first, we should be strong enough in Delhi NCR. We
Yeah.
should capture the Delhi NCR market, which is huge.
Yeah.
So once we have a strong foothold over here, then we move on to the other cities like Mumbai,
Yeah.
then Jaipur, Bangalore, Kolkata, which are the bigger markets
Yeah.
for wedding industry.
Yeah. I will learn everything today for this function.
Today we don't
Yeah.
have any celebrity, because the celebrities always come in the main award function.
Yeah,
Last
yeah.
year we had called Karisma Kapoor.
But I think Madam Lekhi.
Yeah, she is expected to come, and Ms. Barkha Singh is also expected to come.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
and then of course when the main function happens, we'll have a celebrity also and giving away the
Who is the main judge here?
judges. We have a complete panel of jury,
Okay.
which we will declare during the function.
During the function.
So, yeah, so jury mainly comprises of the best names in each field. Like there will be one designer, there will be one jeweler,
Yeah, yeah.
there will be one person from the fashion fraternity, one from the wedding planning fraternity. So we have a mix of 6-7 people who comprise the jury panel.
We wish you all the best
Thank
for
you
this
so
big
much.
event. We will